Hi there, this is Raksha from Calilio, and in this video we'll show you how to remove a member from a specific team in Calilio. Team management in Calilio helps you organize your workspace and keep your teams up to date. You can easily remove members who no longer need to be part of a team without affecting the rest of your account. Here's how to remove a member from a team. Click on Settings from your dashboard, then select Team Management. After that, click on the team you want to remove a member from. Find the team member that you want to remove. Click on the three dots and finally click on Remove. Upon prompted, confirm after clicking Delete. And that's it. Once removed, that member will no longer have access to the team's calls, messages, or shared activities, but they'll still remain part of your Calilio workspace unless deleted entirely. And that's how you remove a member from a team in Calilio. For more quick tutorials or assistance, 24/7 Calilio support team through the live chat box. Thanks for watching.